Hello, my name is Sefki and I'm a 3D character artist currently specialising in look dev. I'm using the model textures and groom that I developed for my Jim Carrey likeness project to guide you through how to develop realistic shaders in Maya and Arnold. I start off with tips for lighting the scene, utilising Arnold lights and creating and adjusting your camera to get the best out of your character. I then start the look dev process, demonstrating how to work with Arnold Standard Surface material to get a good understanding of what their attributes do and how to fine tune them for realistic results. I start off with the eyes to inject some life into the character before moving on to the skin, hair and finally clothing. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and thank you for watching.